So I think the healthy indoor-outdoor lifestyle is something that is important to our buyers in the Pacific Northwest. You know, we have landscape and an outdoor lifestyle that is cherished and well utilized year-round. And so, you know, when we can incorporate that connection to the home, it's something our buyers really appreciate. So I want to show you a feature now I think you're really going to like. This custom NanaWall solution not only brings a ton of light in with these floor-to-ceiling windows, but when we open it up, it also brings in a whole bunch of fresh air and allows us to connect this outside and inside space. We can seamlessly connect the outside in. Just like that. Enjoy the view. By opening up our homes and specifically by opening up that transition with the NanaWall to those expansive outdoor spaces, we do increase the square footage of the home. So we create an open concept living space that really is connected to the open concept living space inside.